In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate reports using Freshdesk Analytics. This will help you create, customize, and share insightful reports efficiently. Whether you're looking to get a high-level overview or dive deep into specific metrics, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's start by accessing Freshdesk Analytics. To do this, you'll need to log in as either an administrator or a supervisor. Once you're logged in, you can navigate to Analytics directly from the main navigation menu or through the admin section. It's important to note that Freshdesk's old Reports module is now deprecated, and all reporting functions are managed within the Analytics section. So this is your one-stop shop for generating all types of reports. Now, let's move on to using or creating custom reports. If you wish to modify a pre-existing report, simply open it up. Otherwise, you can start from scratch by selecting Create Report. On your report canvas, you can drag and drop various widgets such as charts, tables, and metrics. This step allows you to visually organize the data presentation according to your needs. Moreover, applying filters is crucial to refine the data, ensuring you receive the exact insights you want. You can set these filters at a basic or advanced level, and even define a specific date range. Use these filters across the entire report, or apply them to individual widgets. You have full control. Once you're satisfied with your report, it's time to save and organize it. If you want to work off an existing report template, you can clone it by clicking the clone icon. Otherwise, you can customize your report and hit Save. Consider who will need access to this report. You can keep it private for your own use or make it accessible to your entire team, thus enhancing team collaboration. Next, let's discuss exporting or scheduling report delivery. For manual exports, click on the export icon located conveniently near the Present button in your report view. You'll have the option to choose from several formats such as PDF, CSV, or XLSX, and decide whether to export the entire report or focus on specific widgets. If you'd prefer the reports to be delivered automatically, you can schedule them. Still within Analytics, select the report you wish to schedule. Click on the export icon and choose Schedule Report. Set how often you want the report delivered, daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also specify the format and add recipient email addresses, ensuring the report reaches the right people at the right time. Finally, let's manage your scheduled reports. Go back to the Analytics home and click on Settings, symbolized by the gear icon. Here, you can view all scheduled reports, make edits, enable or disable them, or delete schedules altogether. This is useful for maintaining an up-to-date reporting schedule that aligns with your team's needs. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively generate and manage reports using Freshdesk Analytics, enhancing your ability to make informed business decisions.